If aliens ever landed on Earth, would they look at us the same way we look at a juicy steak? Forget welcoming them with open arms. What if we're just the main course on their intergalactic menu? It's a terrifying thought, but let's chew on it for a minute. Could humans actually be a delicacy for an extraterrestrial species? First, let's talk nutrition. From a purely biological standpoint, we're not a bad meal. We're organic, carbon-based life forms packed with proteins, fats, and water. A 150-pound person contains about 80,000 calories. That's enough to feed a single alien for quite some time, or maybe just a family of 4 for a day. We're basically walking energy bars. If their biology is anything like ours, we could be a perfectly balanced meal. We've got muscle tissue for protein, fat reserves for energy, and bones they could probably boil down for a nice broth. Yikes. But would we taste good? Taste is subjective, of course. For all we know, we might taste like burnt rubber to them. But think about what we eat. We consume a huge variety of plants and animals. This diverse diet could make our meat have a complex, maybe even desirable flavor profile. Perhaps we'd be the cosmic equivalent of Wagyu beef, a premium product sought after across the galaxy. It's a chilling idea, isn't it? Our terroir, the unique environment of Earth, could make us a specialty item. Now let's get into the really dark part. How would they prepare us? Would they be like us, raising humans on factory farms, fattening us up for slaughter? Imagine massive automated facilities where humans are processed. Would it be humane? If you look at our own food industry, the answer is probably no. An advanced civilization might be incredibly efficient, but that doesn't mean they'd be kind. They might see us as nothing more than livestock, with no more moral consideration than we give to chickens or cows. There's a strange kind of cosmic irony in this, right? We sit at the top of our food chain, consuming other species without a second thought. If a more advanced species arrived and decided we were on the menu, would we have any right to complain? It's the ultimate food chain reversal. We hunt, we farm, we eat. What if another species just came along and did the same to us, but on a planetary scale? We'd suddenly understand what it feels like to be prey. It's a humbling and horrifying thought. We'd be powerless, just another resource to be exploited. They might not even need to hunt us in the wild. An alien species capable of interstellar travel would likely have technology far beyond our comprehension. They could clone us, grow our tissues in a lab, or synthesize our nutritional components without ever having to deal with a live, screaming human. They could have human-flavored protein paste. That might be the best-case scenario, but it's still incredibly disturbing. The idea of being reduced to a flavor profile is just as dehumanizing as being cattle. So how would we fight back? Honestly, we probably couldn't. If they can cross the vastness of space to get here, their weapons and technology would likely make our best defenses look like toys. Our attempts to resist might be as effective as a cow trying to fight off a farmer. We'd be completely at their mercy. This whole scenario forces us to look in the mirror. It makes us question our own relationship with the animals we eat. Are we the villains in our own story, only to become the victims in a larger one? The thought of being eaten is one of our most primal fears. It's the ultimate loss of control, the ultimate degradation. So next time you look up at the stars and wonder if we're alone, maybe you should also hope that if someone is out there, they're vegetarians. The universe could be a much scarier place than we imagine. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is exciting, but we should be careful what we wish for. If they do show up, let's hope they're here to say hello, and not to ask what's for dinner. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic thought experiment, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would we be a tasty meal for aliens? See you next time.